In today's video, I'm going to show you Microsoft Planner, how to optimize your work for beginners using Office, especially if you're just getting started. Microsoft Planner is a simple but powerful tool that helps you organize tasks, manage projects, and collaborate with your team all in one place. To begin, sign into your Microsoft 365 account and open Microsoft Planner. Once you're inside, the first step is to create a new plan. Think of a plan as your main workspace for a project. Give it a clear name so you and your team instantly understand what it's for. After creating your plan, it's time to organize it. You can do this using buckets. Buckets help you break your work into sections, like different stages of a project or types of tasks. Next, start adding tasks under each bucket. For every task, include important details like a title, due date, and who is responsible for it. Assigning tasks makes it clear who is doing what, which helps avoid confusion. As work begins, you can update the progress of each task. Mark them as not started, in progress, or completed so everyone can quickly see what's happening. Planner also gives you visual charts that show how your project is progressing. This makes it easier to spot delays or areas that need attention. To improve teamwork, you can attach files directly to tasks and add notes or comments. This keeps everything related to the task in one place. You can also use labels to highlight priorities or categories, making it easier to organize and filter your tasks later. If you want a better overview of deadlines, switch to the calendar view. It helps you see upcoming tasks and manage your time more effectively. Finally, use the Planner Hub to get a full view of all your plans and track your overall workload. And that's it. You now know how to optimize your workflow using Microsoft Planner. And that's how you can stay organized, manage tasks efficiently, and work better with your team. Share this video and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.